Hi everyone, this is Eileen. Welcome back to my channel. This is the third and final part of our National Museum of Indonesia walking tour. So I'm here outside the museum enjoying the sunset and also admiring the beautiful architecture of this building. Now let's go inside and check out some of the many collections in the museum. Let's start with the Bronze Gallery. So here in the Bronze Gallery, you can find jars and other masterpieces, including Buddhism and Hinduism imagery. Look at this. Wow, amazing. Oh, these are made of bronze. Amazing, right? Crazy. I think these are ceremonial equipments they use in ceremony, probably weddings or any other ceremony. And here you can see a lot of imagery, Buddhism imagery, which are amazing. Look at these. Wow. This one is wonderful. It's just so amazing how they carve this out of stone or out of clay. Now let's proceed to the Prehistory Gallery. These are our relatives, different heads of our relatives, humans, prehistoric humans. Wow, it's crazy. And we have also here a very large poster of the human evolution, as well as the tools of prehistoric times in Indonesia. So these are stone tools, more stone tools. They didn't have knives yet, so they used stones as tools in cutting objects and meat, building their houses, and some more stone tools here. And oh, fossilized stone. I can see an axe here. That's an axe right there, made of stone, wood and stone. Then these are bone tools. So aside from stone, they also used bone of animals for tools. Beautiful beads here. Wow, beautiful beads. This one looks nice. This one, nice collection of beads from prehistoric times. Now let's explore this. This is a stone tomb. Wow. Stone tomb. This is interesting. Imagine being buried there. And what's more interesting is they have a burial vessel. Wow. So you will be buried there or you will be burned there. I'm not sure. And another beautiful masterpiece here is this bronze. Wow. I think this is for making metals. It's a beautiful frog imagery there. Wow. This is amazing. Look at those details. Wow. Crazy details. Look. Imagine how long did it take them to finish all these details? Crazy. And we have here more collections, jars made of bronze and clay, tools, weapons. Oh, I love this jar here. On this green one, wow. We have weapons here, tools, ceremonial tools. Wow. Weapons and weapons. This is an amazing collection here. Are those bracelets? And then agricultural tools here. Wow. They use this for agriculture. Planting, maybe, jars, beautiful jars here. Wow, look at that. There's like a face in there. Look. See how artistic prehistoric humans were. Now let's proceed to the Islamic civilization collection. And these are the beautiful collections from the Islamic religion. Beautiful carved stone. Then they also have musical instruments for performing arts. These are puppets and musical instruments. And they have also tools, jars with Arabic inscribed writings, weapons. Wow, look at those writings. Textile. And then the Quran here. And this is a traditional mosque. So the museum staff called their attention and told us that we have to exit and leave the museum because they are already closing. Like, it's closing time. Like, come on, what a bummer. But still, I will show you some of the beautiful collections we will pass by, like this beautiful mural over here, and on the other side. I'm so sad I cannot show everything because it's closing time, so we have to go. It's just sad because I haven't visited all the other exhibits, all the other collections. But anyway, I'll probably just come back and show you some of them, more of them. more of these collections. So here ends our walking tour of the National Museum of Indonesia. I hope you guys learned something about the country and its culture. I hope you also enjoy these videos. By the way, thank you everyone for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Thank you everyone. Bye and God bless.